So here's a little video of how you make exam corrections in Aleks. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the menu of Aleks and click on assignments. Now once you've taken the exam, it'll close. So it'll be under this closed assignment, and you'll scroll down and you click on your percent that you got on that assignment. It's going to bring up a report for you. Now this report will give you all the ones you got correct, okay? But it will also give ones that you got partial credit on. All right? And so you can see, okay, there's the correct answer, gives you all the correct answers. And it gives you, so you can see the ones you got partially correct and the ones you got totally incorrect. And then, let's say you didn't answer one. If you didn't answer one, it'll actually give you the question that it was, and then it'll also give you the correct answer so that you can go through and you can work through it, make sure you're showing all of your steps, and then you have the correct answer given to you so that you know if you're correct or not. Now, obviously you don't need to do anything for the correct problems, but that is how you see your results for your exam so that you can make corrections on it. So you'll do the corrections on the template that I give you in the assignment in Canvas, and then you'll submit that into Canvas.